This is a really short version for Katy Perry. This is how we do. It's like a warm-up routine for my class. I'm also going to share this with you. So it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so just roughly explaining the moves. Right. Step on the left leg, left, step right, right, step left, right, right, left, right, right, left. We go forward and the arms go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go right, left, right, jump, jump, left arm, right arm to the front. And then we go 1, we open the balls of our feet, open knees, close. Straight arms, open knees, closed. Come up with your hip. 1, 2, and 3, and then we open quickly and bring both our legs into a straight position, arms as well, and down again. So 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So we're sort of just resting on the right ball of our foot. We're not completely with a heel down, we're just with a heel up. 7 and 8. And then again our right heel is up. Right heel up, right heel. And then we go 1 and elbow down, left knee out, left knee in, arm up, bounce, straight up, and the last 2 counts. 1 and 2 and 3, jump on your right leg, close left leg. So 2 times, try the same thing. Right leg, left leg comes down, left leg, right leg to the front. Again, right, 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 right. Okay, so that didn't make sense, right. So we stand on our right leg, left leg up, left leg down, and then sort of just go away, whatever it is, release, and then you go, you stand on your right leg, left leg down, you stand on your left leg. Right, so